make it pretty, are you? I don't like these fucking snips.
Where the gloves at? Oh, maybe they're mine.
Huh?
Them other snips.
They're your snips?
They would do a job by themselves. Where's
Puncho's got it. Puncho's got my snips. Now y'all gotta know I ain't cut a fucking tap in how long?
25 years, Bobby.
Probably.
You do have one eye shut, right?
I got it.
How long, Bobby?
How long? I take regular old snips.
Hey, we got a beanie down there.
How's the town?
Wait a minute. Oh no, that's after you cut the hole fucking twice.
No, that was his hole.
You cut that hole twice.
That was his hole.
This is
Oh, this is his hole. Take that son of a bitch out of there.
Where's the pookie?
Yeah.
All right.
There's not a problem.
Huh?
Easy to get out.
Once it's put in, it's hard.
You cut it.
Oh!
Well, I gotta go a long way.
You gotta quit cutting your hand, man.
Hey, you don't be on YouTube, you the son, buddy.
Huh? Damn, I just had it. Help me out, Puncho.
Hey,
I told you I ain't put one in. I don't have any fucking years.
45 years.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
I think it's a damper.
Hey, he needs a half moon.
Oh.
Give me a half moon.
Hey, hold up. I'll show you how they fix that. Because this is exactly what they do
there you
out
go.
there in the field. You got to mark it a little
That's
bit.
the old
trim it
school
out,
style.
Put it in there.
What?
I'm telling you that.
No, we just got that. We got that little too damn big.
I could have been screwed and done.
That's right. I made that up.
What is it, YouTube? I want to watch it tonight when I get
Huh?
home.
Yeah.
They download this off
Knock it
YouTube.
down, son.
I don't like these fucking snips.
Huh? Hey, man, if we take this and make it a tad
You
bigger,
didn't like them. I'd have brought you all kinds of snips.
make that tad bigger, but it still beat y'all's two ass. Y'all took both of y'all to cut one hole.
Now you got to cut the half moon in and fix it. You're not done.
I just got to get a little bit smaller.
Gotta get it out now.
A little bit smaller.
Take it out, Francisco.
Oh, yep. Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Hey, look at which
Oh, it's
way
coming
the
out.
handle is.
Yeah, it's coming out of the hole.
Coming out of the hole. Yeah. Okay. For 20 years, I ain't
Hey.
put one in.
Let me get the press on and show you how to fix that.
No, here. We just need a hole just a hair smaller, Puncho. We're close. Here, look. Oh, now which one you gonna cut
You're
this
gonna have
time?
to start fabbing those things up and distributing them out to the field then.
Yeah.
No, that
Because
now.
that's what they're gonna be out there, just a hair smaller,
That's it.
and then
No.
Dom's gonna throw a boot at them.
No, they see right now. You take this and you cut that across,
To fix that?
and then then they start and they'll mark it like
I
this.
thought you put gasket on it and put
It's just,
pookie over the
it's
top
just
of it.
because they cut it too goddamn big.
That's why I'm trying to tell you.
But
They all
if
cut
they
it
make
too
this
big.
right, they won't cut it.
Hey, now get
How much
the
smaller?
press on. Get the press on. Let me see something.
Huh?
Here.
160.
This ain't smaller? Let's make it just a hair smaller.
There you
It's
go.
that one, right?
You put